see how.
Okay, so that's the audio and recording.
Okay.
Pieces.
Formaldehyde face.
Show you my camera again.
Okay.
Right, pass again. So we're basically in the area for separate reasons to I think why we stopped you. However, we've noticed you've been paying a lot of attention to the building over there. It might make the shard. I've seen you walking down here. You've been looking high. What is it you've got in the backpack?
Just my clothes and that.
You happy to show us?
Okay. Just been in London for a couple of days. I've just got clothes and that. Do you know what I mean? I've got.
Any chance we could crack on?
Yeah, well, good. You know what? You guys try this with me. I'll be here.
That's what you're looking at a lot. Kind of thought you might be one of those people who likes to scale buildings. And it would probably look better. You're going to draw attention to yourself, mate. If you're trying to sneak about, that whole face mask thing.
Yeah.
You know, people start wearing them now.
Yeah, I don't understand why though. Like, it's like Ukraine war happened and then everyone just stopped caring.
Yeah, yeah. No,
it doesn't make sense to me. It's
I
like,
agree, and I'm not wearing it, but certainly around certain landmarks, you're going to draw attention to yourself. We're not the only two plainclothes officers around these landmarks. I would advise try and take your photos today legitimately. Good. Right, have a good day.
cool. It's good to know that. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, mate. Oh, yeah, cool. Thank you very much. Cheers. Wow. This is gorgeous. This is sick, mate. Hello. Hey. Oh, Fluffy. Billingsgate Market. You stink of shit. These chairs are chill, mate. Honestly, this is such a nice roof garden. Despite being in Canary Wharf, I can see stars. Quite a few as well. Had a really nice chat with a guy I met up here, so big up to him if he's watching. This roof has such a panoramic view of London, you know? O2, Canary, Shard and the city. This roof terrace closes at 10. That's now. So I think I'm gonna go. You were very fun. Oh, it's warm in here. Big up to Roosevelt Tower, man. That was fun as fuck. I hope you're all loving life out there. We only get one, man. Make the most of that shit. I am loving life right now. Right, it is.